Good morning, students. Yes, how are you? Are you safe at your home? Yes. And as we have going to complete the first chapter, that is knowing the numbers. First thing I want to tell you about the homework that in the first week you are submitting the homework, but in the next week now onwards you are not submitting the homework. So it's a very kind request to you that you have to do the homework regularly, because it is a practice given to you, and if you don't practice you don't know how to solve these problems. Okay, so that's why the practice makes the man perfect, isn't it? Yes. So welcome to Scala English School. Now we are going to end this chapter with the Roman numerals. I have already given you the homework of 1 to 100 numbers. You have to write the Roman numbers, but no one had submitted yet. But now I'm going to tell you about how these Roman numerals are has to be written. There are some rules that we have to study first, and what is the relation that we are consider this Roman numbers in this chapter. That also we are going to study. Okay, so let's start the first rule. Rules of Roman numerals. First is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times. Okay, so for example, what is the example? If, see, for the number 1, you know that number 1 is written as I. If you take this number again 2 times, then the value becomes 1 plus 1. This is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. If it is written 3 times, its value becomes 3. But you cannot write the number. You can only repeat this symbol 3 times only. That is the second rule, that you can repeat this symbol only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Again, in that also, V, L and D cannot be repeated. They never be repeated. Okay, so that is your second rule, that any symbol can be repeated only 3 times, and V, L and D are never repeated. I will give you some example. We will discuss some example. For example, what is that? Any symbol cannot be repeated. तो ये मैंने भी लिखा है. अभी ये V जो है तो वो हम V यानी 555. No, that cannot be written as 50. This is wrong. Okay, so this cannot be written 3 times or even 2 times. Only one time you can write this V. Okay, V, L and D. This is for V, L and D. लेकिन x है वो हम लिख सकते हैं x 3 times. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. Okay, so that is correct. But V या L D you cannot write. Okay, have you got this? Next rule is, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right, side, right यानी right side of greater value number, is added, the value gets added. Okay, the value gets added. The value gets added. For example, let's take x, that is 10, and if I write I here on the right side of the 10, smaller value. Okay, you can write 1i. So that is, what is the value? 10 plus 1, that is 11. So you can write I on the right side. Next, 10 two times, that is 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 12. Okay, then you can add v also, that is 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, so these are all correct, that you are going to write the value on the right, smaller value, but जो भी है उससे स्मॉलर वैल्यू चाहिए. अभी 5 लिखा है तो 5 का स्मॉलर वैल्यू लिखना, दैट इज i, दैट इज 6. ओके, तो उससे स्मॉलर वैल्यू चाहिए. So this will be the greater number and this will be the smaller value. Then you can add this number to the right side. तो ये जो right side लिखा है तो add करेंगे, और अगर left में होगा sorry, if this number, if this value comes to left side, then that is subtracted. Sorry. So if symbol of same smaller value, not greater value, smaller value is written to left side, is written to left side of greater value, then value gets subtracted. Okay, then value gets subtracted. For example, if v is written and उसके पहले हमने I लिखा है, then vi यानी 5 minus 1. But here also the rule is only one number you can, only one symbol you can write. यहाँ पे हमने जैसे 2 सिंबल लिए थे, 3 सिंबल ले सकते हैं, वैसे यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 सिंबल हम ले सकते हैं, that is one time only. So 5 minus 1, 5 से छोटा और कुछ है ही नहीं, 1 है. Okay, so 5 minus 1, that answer is 4. तो ये अगर मैंने ऐसे लिखा I यानी 5 minus 2 ये 3 होता है, no, that is wrong, क्योंकि हमारे पास ऑलरेडी 3 के लिए I है. So this is not possible. Have you understood? X के लिए भी वैसा ही है, X के लिए हाँ yes, और यहाँ पे हमने ऐसे लिखा भी, तो that is also not allowed. यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में V and D are not allowed. That we have to mention. V and D cannot be written on the left side. Cannot be written on left side of any number. Okay, so this is wrong. ये wrong है. समझ में आ रहा है? So these are some rules about the Roman numerals, how to write this Roman numerals. So accordingly, you can write the numbers. Now, what is the relation that it is included in our chapter? Because you have already studied this Roman numerals in the 3rd standard, 4th standard. So now that I am going to tell you how it is included in the expanded form. Expanded form में हमें वो लिखना है. For example, if the number is given 98, then what is the expanded form of 98? That is 90 plus 8. Okay, 90 plus 8. तो 90 के लिए हमें क्या रोमन नंबर्स है हमारे पास? That is 90 जो नंबर है वो कब आएगा? 100 minus 10 and plus 8. ओके, क्योंकि हमारे पास 90 के लिए डायरेक्टली रोमन न्यूमेरल नहीं है, लेकिन हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? 100 minus 10, बिकॉज इट इज 90 नंबर इज नियरर टू राउंड ऑफ टू 100, सो इसीलिए 100 minus 10. तो 100 के लिए हमारे पास नंबर क्या है? C. और माइनस 10 के लिए क्या है? माइनस यानी कहाँ पे लिखा जाता है? माइनस नंबर शुड बी रिटन ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर, तो इसके पहले हमें 10 लिखना है. हैव यू गॉट दिस? तो XC, X हम लिख सकते हैं, V L D हम लेफ्ट में नहीं लिख सकते हैं, दैट कीप इन माइंड. So 100 के पहले -10 यानी it should be written on the left side, and +8, what is the Roman numeral for 8? That is B5 plus 1 1 1, that is 8. Now this number you can write together, that is XCBII. So this is the Roman numeral for 90. Have you understood? Okay, now we will take another example. For suppose it is 69. Yeah, the next number is 69. So what is the expanded form of 69? It is 60 plus 9. Okay. Now 60, there is a no direct number for 60. So what we have to add? ये जो 60 है वो क्या हो सकता है? 50 plus 10 हो सकता है, and plus 9. So what is the number for 50? 50 के लिए हमारे पास कौन सा है? L है. Okay. For 50 there is a Roman numeral L. और प्लस है, प्लस यानी कहाँ पे लिखना है ये नंबर? राइट हैंड साइड पे. तो 10 के लिए क्या है? X. तो LX प्लस 9 के लिए क्या है हमारे पास? That is 10 minus, we can write it as 10 minus 9. Okay. तो X इसके पहले होगा 1. Sorry, 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1. It came to the left side. So now total number you can write LXIX. This is the Roman number for 69. So like this, I will give you some examples to solve, that you have to solve with this expanded form only. Okay, don't write the direct number. With the expanded form, you have to solve this. Okay, so till then, to the next session, we will end up this session. So till then, bye and see you. Good day.